Spicy. So, today we're going to be learning about math.random. Math.random is very good for getting, if you ever have, hatching, pets and stuff. This is good. You can use this to, kind of have different chances and stuff like that. If you've ever, just anything random in the game, Murder 2 randomly choosing somebody, that probably uses math.random. If you've ever had, just if you've ever seen anything, randomly generated or stuff like that, then, or, it randomly picks a person, I think that may use, I think that does. But, yeah. So, to do math.random, we'll do this. We'll use instances as well. Also we will be learning about position. So yeah, we'll be doing two in one video, just a good way. Alright, so math.random. To do it, we do math. Actually, we're gonna do local. We'll say random number is equal to. Actually, let me capitalize this. It's equal to math.random, right? As explained, and then so we have m and then n. So it returns a random number random number within the range provided. So, I can have a range. So if I do the first number, so the first number is how low it can go to and how high it can go to. So we do 1 through 100. And if we do print random number, then it'll give me a random number 1 through 100. So you see right here. Now I'll print number 1 through 100, and I got 99. I was kind of lucky on that one. If we do it again though, 88. So yeah, this is very good. Just very simple. We'll print a random number. So how can this be used? So let's say, I don't know, if I'm making rain or something, or if I'm making if I'm just doing anything random, if I want to hatch an egg or something. So if you want to use this, so we'll use this for random position in that part. So if you want to learn, so we're going to learn position now. So we're going to do local part is equal to instance.new, and then we're going to do a part. And then we're going to say part.parent is equal to workspace, and then we'll do part.anchor is equal to true. So what are we going to do here is we'll say part.position, okay? So now you can't just say part.position, we got to set it to something, so we're going to do a vector3. If you don't know what vector 3 is, it's basically, if you know what a vector is, it has direction and magnitude. And this will show you, both of that. So, well, actually, it shows you basically just, if you know 3-dimensional means X, Y, and Z. And when we do vector 3, it gets 3 values, and it gets the X, the Y, and the Z, and it returns vector 3 with the given X, Y, and Z components. So we're gonna have the X, so the X is basically horizontal, left, right, like that, and then up and down is Y, and then forward and backwards is Z. Now this might be different if you rotate it or something, or it's just facing wrong or something. It might not be left or right or up and down. You can also use this for rotations and stuff, but we'll get into that later. We're just gonna do here, we'll just do for X, Y, and Z. So I could do 1, 1, 1, and this will put my part. If we go here, and then it'll put it at, if we go here, go here, position 1, 1, 1. So yeah, so if we want to just do a random position, we can just do random number, and then random number, and then boom, we just have 3 random positions here. And I'm run parts over here, and then if I run it here, let's do run instead. Actually, run is easier. You don't have to load in your character. If your script doesn't need a character to load in, then you can just do run. So if I do run there, you see the parts right there. If I do run again, the parts right here. If I do run, let's just do one more time, and then the parts over here. So yeah, that's basically random position, random, you know, math.random. So and you just put in the range and then instance new, and then if you want to change the position, then you do equals vector3.new, and you can set these values here. But yeah, that's basically math.random. If you wanted to, I mean, we can even do a while true loop. So if we do while wait do, and then we can turn random number, and we'll just actually we get. So the thing is about this, if you just print the random number, it's only been generated once. So if I run this, hit run, it will just repeat 82 a bunch of times. So what I need to do is I just need to put this back in here. We don't need to do local again because we already did that. So now it's just gonna print all of these numbers. So yeah, pretty cool. I don't know, maybe you could do something cool with like this where it's just a bunch of random numbers loading. But yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I think if you've ever played like a simulator game, and like I don't know, weightlifting simulator or something, and the value you get is like a random number, that's math.random right there. So yeah, math.random, very, very useful, and like you will see it a lot, like trust me. And there's a ton of different math values that we'll get into. So there's like math.rad or math.huge or math.clamp or floor. Yeah, these I'll probably get into later, but yeah, they're very important as well. But yeah, so that's math.random in position. I hope you learned something new. See ya.